The easiest way to create a drop-down list is to utilize named ranges. In this video, we are going to tackle slightly what is named range, how to use them, how to set them up, and how to utilize them to create a simple drop-down list, a dependent drop-down list easily, and what is indirect function. So watch this video fully to make sure that you have covered all this topic together in one complex. We are starting. So in this video, we are going to focus on two examples for simple and dependent drop-down list. For that, we are having two cases prepared. So let's open the first one and learn a few things about the named range. So named range, range name or defined name all refer to the same object in Excel. It's a descriptive name that is attached to a specific cell or range of cells in a worksheet. Why it is important to use and learn it? Because you may attach a name to a range of cells in one worksheet and then work with it in the whole workbook. So how to create it? First and most simple way is to select the range of cells. We're going to create one for countries, and in the top left corner in the name box we're going to insert the name for that. That's going to be countries. So now as soon as we are having it identified, and for instance if we are going to deselect it, if I'm going to again move to the name box and will select countries, it will automatically return me to the range that we are using. Another easiest way to create a defined name is to go to a formula, defined names, and select the defined name. So you are going to receive a short menu that's pretty logical to complete. What is important here to understand that refers to is not only maybe used for the range of cells, but it may be used for the formula. So we can insert here a date and take only the day of this date, therefore we can use it in the future calculations. So we are not going to do anything here because we already have predefined the range. So now we are going to create a drop-down list. So now we are moving to data, data validation, select list and select source, put equal and insert countries and click OK. So if to select, you can see that all the countries are available here in this drop-down list. So how to create a dependent drop-down list based on named ranges? For that purpose, let's open the second case. Here we have data organized in the following manner. We have a table where in header we have a name of the countries, while in each column below the countries we have the names of the cities that are representing this country. So now we need to create a named range for each of the countries that will contain the name of the cities. Manually it's gonna take some time, but Excel allows us to automate it. For that purpose we have a create from selection functionality. So now we are going to make sure that the tick is available only for top row and click OK. If I check the cities that are below the USA, you can see that this range is named after the country. Same for United Kingdom and Australia and Germany. So let's create a drop-down list. First is going to be same as the previous one, equal countries. Quickly checking, right. Second drop-down list based on a different function. We're going to use indirect function. This function returns a reference to a named range that is inserted as a string as a first parameter for this function. For us, we are going to use the name of this country that is being available from the previous drop-down list. When I'm going to click OK, I will receive an error as soon as we haven't selected any country. Checking, and that is what we received. If I'm going to select UK and then we'll check out cities available, I'm going to see that all 4 cities are available in the drop-down list. If I'm going to select USA, we're having them also here. If you found this video useful for you, don't forget to like it. And don't forget to subscribe, as we are working to create much more content for you. Cheers!